Horizontal lines on your Hisense TV screen? In this video, I'll help you solve this issue step by step with clear and easy solutions. First, turn off your TV and unplug it from the wall. Then, press and hold the power button on the TV itself for about 15 to 30 seconds. After doing this, wait at least 1 minute before plugging the TV back into the wall. This simple method helps clear temporary glitches from your TV's internal memory, and it often fixes the issue of horizontal lines. Next, unplug all HDMI cables and other connected devices, like your Fire Stick or game console. After unplugging these devices, turn on your TV with only the power cable connected. If the horizontal lines disappear, this means the problem is with one of your HDMI cables or devices. To find out exactly which one, reconnect each device one by one until you see the lines again. If you notice any dust or dirt, you can clean the HDMI ports and cables gently using compressed air. You can also try plugging the cable into different HDMI ports on your TV to see if that fixes the issue. Now try connecting your TV to a different input source. For example, if you're currently using a game console, switch it to a cable box or another device. Another easy option is to play a video directly from a USB drive. If you see that the lines disappear after switching the input, it means the issue is probably with the original device or its connection. Make sure your TV is plugged directly into a wall socket. If you're using a surge protector or a smart plug, remove it and connect the TV straight to the wall. If possible, try a different wall outlet in the room. Sometimes unstable voltage from the power source can lead to display problems like horizontal lines. Also, take a look around your TV and move away any electronic devices that are placed close to it, like speakers or Wi-Fi routers. These kinds of devices can create electromagnetic interference, which might affect how your screen looks. That's it for this video on how to fix horizontal lines on your Hisense TV using simple and safe steps. I hope these methods helped clear up the issue and got your screen looking normal again. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Got any questions? Or did one of these steps work for you? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear what worked. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.